Ever wondered how to transform your everyday ordinary images into something cinematic and mind-blowing with just a few clicks? Let me introduce you to Google AI's new image editor called Nano Banana. Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jayne. I am an AI coach and video editor with over 11 years experience, and I'm so happy to welcome you back to this video. Now, Nano Banana is Google's AI image editor. That means it can edit images in mind-blowing ways. And today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can get these cinematic images that you always want for yourself, for your brand, and also for your social media. So let's go straight into it. Looking downwards here is my system. So if I'm looking down here, you know I'm looking at my system, okay? So as we go through this, I want you to also do this with me, and you're going to have fantastic results. So go to your browser and type Google Gemini, right? And then you're going to see some options come up. Click Google Gemini. So once you open Google Gemini, you're going to open like this, okay? So what you're going to do first of all is going to click Tools, and then you're going to click Create Images. Now, you're going to make sure that up here, what you select is Flash 2.5, all right? Make sure you select Fast All-Round Help 2.5, very important. And now we're ready to do. The first use case we are going to be using for Nano Banana is product photography, okay? How to get cinematic images of your products that you sell, okay? So for example, today I'm going to be using this bottle that was gifted to me by my husband on Valentine's Day. And what we're going to do first of all is you're just going to take the bottle and just place it anywhere and take an image of it. So you're going to click first of all, the tools button here. I'm going to click create images, right? This banana signifies Nano Banana is being selected. You're going to click the plus button, and then you're going to upload the file of the image you just took, the picture you just took of your products, right? And then you're going to select it. So this is the image I took just on my table, right? Now you bring it in and it says describe your image. So this is the way I describe the image. Transform this product photo into a high quality studio style image. Use soft balanced lighting, remove any background distractions, apply subtle color correction, and give it a clean modern look suitable for an e-commerce catalog. Keep the product shape, texture, and colors true to life. Now this prompt, you can just take a screenshot right now of it and then use that with whatever image you have, whichever product image you have taken. So after we did this, this was the result that was gotten. This was what it created. A very nice cinematic image of this. Removed everything from the background. And this now can be posted on any e-commerce platform, all right, and make your sales. So I tried this with another product. I just removed my shoes from my feet and I just took a picture. And this is a picture of the shoes of my feet, right? And I told it exactly the same prompt again, right? And this is the image that was generated for me. You can put this on any e-commerce platform and it's going to fly. So right now, why don't you just take a picture of something around you and do this and tell me what works? Now, I didn't just stop there. I said, okay, now that I've generated these images that are very good for product commercials, let's try and make them into something much more enticing, right? So I uploaded the image again and then I put this prompt under. You can, of course, take a screenshot to make yours. And guys, this was the result that we got. It did exactly that. Nothing was tainted. It kept my face intact. It kept the bottle intact. In fact, the lighting was amazing. I said, okay, let's try this again. I gave it another prompt. I said, give me another design, something out of the box for this bottle image. And look at what it generated, guys. Look at this. A fairy is holding the bottle and this is dripping. So I did it again. I just wrote nice, colorful, high-end colors. Brothers and sisters, this is what it generated. With very little prompting, it can give you the most realistic looking images of your product. Try that and let me know if you've gained something so far. Please comment down below in the comment section. Now I'm going to be showing you images of I and my family during vacation. We have one on the beach, we have one in the zoo, and we have one on the streets of Paris. Let me know which one you think is the original photo. Let me know in the comments. And that takes us to the second part of the use case of Nano Banana, and that is personal images, your personal picture manipulation. Now, is seeing really believing, and can photos really now be used as evidence because they can be doctored spectacularly using Nano Banana? Obviously, the zoo picture is the correct image of I and my family on vacation. Okay. So I uploaded this image of I and my sons and my husband at vacation. And I said, keep the same people in the photo exactly the same, but make it look like we're in a luxury beach in Miami. And guys, that was it. That was how we generated this image of us by the beach. If you look at this, there is no way you will know that it is not our real picture. It's insane. I said, okay, let's try this and move it again a bit further. And then I said, now keep the faces of the people the same and make it look like people are in this picture are in one of the deserts in Dubai as tourists. Guys, this is us. It even put a scarf on my son's neck. It even put a scarf, it changed my outfit, even changed my husband's outfit, even put camels behind us. Right? So Nano Banana is amazing. I said the same thing again. Keep the people in photo exactly the same, but make it look like they are in Paris. You can even see that the lighting is even the same. So Nano Banana can help you with your fake life. You can put yourself in any location you like. You can put yourself in a car. You can put yourself inside a beautiful house. You can put yourself in any country in the world using Nano Banana. And then after generating this image, you can now begin to pray to God that your dreams will come true. So now let's go to the third use case for Nano Banana. The third use case for Nano Banana is for generating images for your upcoming event or for your upcoming products, whatever thing you have coming up. You can use Nano Banana to make the adverts look much, much, much grandiose. And I'm going to show you exactly how. Now back to my PC. Now I uploaded this image of a thumbnail of one of my YouTube videos. If you have not watched that video, I'm going to link it up above. And I uploaded it and I wrote this prompt for it. Take the following YouTube thumbnail that we have for one of my YouTube videos and make it look like it's been advertised on one of the most famous parts of Times Square in New York. And guys, this was what it produced, right? So you can do this for any, maybe you have an upcoming webinar, you can tell it to put it for you on the biggest billboard in Lagos, you can tell it to paste it in the walls of maybe GT Bank or something. You can just, as much as you can think, it can do this. So this just takes your adverts and takes it to the next level, makes it much, much better, makes it much, much grandiose. And now we're going to be going to the last and final use of Nano Banana, and that is going to be to create different variations of an illustration, and I'm going to explain. So if you've watched this video to this point, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Please, it helps me. I want to get at least to 4,000 subscribers, and I know that I can get to that with your help. Please like the video if you've gained something so far and share it. And now let's go to the last use case of Nano Banana. Now, for this use case of making different variations of an illustration, we're going to be using another Google AI tool, and that is going to be called Google AI Studio. So you're going to go on your browser and then you're going to type Google AI Studio, okay? This is what it looks like, and then you select it and it opens up, right? Now, Google AI Studio is like an all-encompassing part of Google, everything AI. Now, mine opens like this. For most people, it does open like this. So you're going to click these three dots by the side, and then you're going to go to Build, right? So this is where you can build an application using AI. And today we're going to be building a Nano Banana Illustrator with this tool. It's going to be very exciting. Now, this is the prompt we're going to be using for this Google AI Studio. You can just pause the video and take a screen grab and then, copy it all out like this. So when you copy the text, we are going to go back now to Google AI Studio, and then we're going to clean off here. Make sure that you're on build. I'm going to clean up whatever is written here, and then you're going to paste the prompt that you just collected, okay? And then you're going to press the run prompt. It's going to take some time to do this thing, and then when it's done, you're going to have the AI Studio open like this. You can see a dynamic illustrator generator. Of course, you can change the name of your application as you want. And of course, you can also edit the application to have some more things. If you want your application to have image history, camera enabled inputs, like a lot of things. So let me explain to you what this illustrator means. Now, for example, now I'm going to click here and I'm going to import any kind of image I like. So for example, I'm going to click here and I'm going to import an image. So this is the image of Marilyn Monroe, okay? And here you're going to describe the change you want it to do to this image. So right now, I'm going to say, let's it wear sunglasses. And then here, you can add another thing you want it to. If you want it to do two things, if you want her to wear sunglasses and you want her to frown at the same time, you can add another change. Right here, you can select the aspect ratios, right? And then you can click generate variations. It's going to take some time to create your masterpiece. And guys, this is what it generated at the end. Look at Marilyn Monroe wearing glasses. It's an illustration. She's a painting wearing glasses. So I did this for other aspects. I did this for other variations. And I did it for her smiling. I did it for her frowning. And you can do this for anything. You can even use just a normal smiley face image. You can use anything to do this. And it's always, always, always good. So guys, that is it for today's video. I've told you 4 mind-blowing uses of Google's AI image editor tool called Nano Banana, and I want you to try it out. And if you try it out, please, I would like to see your generations. You can reach me on Everyday Life with Jayne, at Everyday Life with Jayne on TikTok, and also at Everyday Life with Jayne on Facebook. And of course, I would love, love, love to see your generations. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you learned something, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and of course, you can go ahead and watch this video because I'm going to be creating a video next that's going to teach you how to use Google VO3 for free. If you don't know what Google VO3 is, watch this video right here to know exactly what Google VO3 is. And guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.